Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by dialing in capture settings that set the cinematic foundation. Pick 24 frames per second for classic motion or 30 for a slightly smoother look. Then set your shutter to roughly double the frame interval, for example 1/48 or 1/60, to preserve natural motion blur. Once done, switch to a flat or log picture profile to retain highlight and shadow detail for grading later. Make sure you stabilize the camera with a gimbal, tripod, or steady handheld technique and plan slow, intentional moves to sell the cinematic feel. Now you shape the image. Use wider apertures like f/1, 8 to f/4 to create subject separation and bokeh, and be deliberate with focal length to compress or expand the scene. Once composed, block light and place subjects with leading lines and the rule of thirds. Small changes in headroom and eye light matter. In editing, begin primary color correction. Balance exposure and white, then increase contrast. After that, perform creative grading. Lift midtones for skin, push shadows toward teal, and nudge highlights warm for that cinematic palette. To finish, add motion and texture that make the edit feel cinematic. Apply gentle speed ramps to emphasize beats, stabilize final shots if needed, and introduce subtle film grain and chromatic shifts to avoid digital sterility. Once done, refine sound design. Wrap with a low-frequency bed and tasteful room tone to glue cuts together. Make sure to export using a high bitrate and the correct color space for your delivery platform. If colors or motion look wrong on a different display, recalibrate your monitor, re-export, and test again as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.